Nature is magic. Its melody, the shapes and colors, the living beings that hide in it, who live in tune and are unaware of chaos. I feel myself when I'm surrounded by nature. The sound of the wind among the trees, the birds singing, the woods crackling. It looks almost celestial. I feel a very strong bond towards the natural, towards the need to escape from the crowded streets and immerse myself in deep thoughts. I believe that nature has the power to heal, to make us feel happy and forget about the burden that we all carry sometimes. Then there is the melody of chaos, the beauty in what I call the concrete jungle, where birds are replaced by car horns, trees become skyscrapers, and noise is the soundtrack of our lives. I find peace in it as well, sitting in a bench with my friends watching how life goes by, hearing the voice of the city, observing how the sunset makes everything around us look golden. I also find peace listening to music and observing London by myself. The river, the Big Ben, I can still feel the breeze of that day. It is possible to find peace both in the concrete jungle and in nature, and there is beauty in both. They make us feel different, but most importantly, they make us feel alive.